Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create AI faceless videos using Syllaby, which is a tool that was created by a guy named Austin Armstrong. He's one of the leading experts in this space right now with over 2 million followers almost on Facebook. So I've just recently signed up for my free 7-day trial of Syllaby. And then it's about $25 a month. So I'm just going to test it out for about a week and see what it's capable of, because I've been hearing a lot of things about this tool recently. And it's just a great way to grow your following on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and it can automatically post to all of these social media channels as well. So you can just basically set the style for the faceless videos. You can even create your own avatars as well. And this is the direction we're moving with AI now. So I figure, why not give it a try? I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to sign up. It will be an affiliate link, so I'll get a commission if you sign up for the paid plan. But yeah, I just want to see how this works. So over 100,000 videos generated, 32,000 videos published, scripts generated. It can generate all your scripts for you as well. And it's just a great way to basically grow your audience on autopilot with AI faceless videos. So let's give it a try. I've just signed up for my free account, and now I'm in my dashboard over here. So this is what it looks like when you log into Syllaby. And apparently it can discover ideas. You can create a clone of yourself, which I didn't even know was possible. So if I want to do that, I can do that later. It can also create thumbnails using AI, which I'm personally using vidIQ for right now. That also has a feature to create thumbnails using AI. So I don't really need that, but I mostly just want to see what it can do in terms of the AI faceless videos. So I'm just going to come up here to create a video at the top and select faceless video. Keep in mind, this is the first time I've used this tool. It's completely on the fly, and I'm just going to be doing it live during this YouTube video. So here we can select the visuals, and as you can see, there are many different options to choose from here. You've got pop art, hyper realism, which could be interesting. And they also have cinematic realism, which has a picture of a beach here. So we can kind of see what it looks like with the subtitles. And obviously you can change the style of the subtitles as well. I kind of like this one right here, and it updates automatically as well, so you can see what it looks like. Then I can also choose the voice. So they've got a lot of different options for voices. I'm going to choose an American voice. And so if I select American here, then it should narrow down the options. I'm just going to choose, no, that doesn't sound, that's Spanish. Um, that could be good. I want a male actor. That sounds pretty good. Let's choose Antony. And here we're going to set it as portrait mode because I want to post these as YouTube shorts. So I'm going to use portrait mode. And it looks like I only have about 50 credits on the free trial. So I can only create about 3 minutes worth of video for that, which isn't very much. So I'm just going to choose less than a minute for the video length. And over here, we're going to give it a title. So in this case, I don't know. I'm just going to say walking on a beach, which I can easily do myself anytime I want to. I don't really need faceless videos to do this, but walking on a beach in Thailand, I don't know, just as an example. And here we can create the script. So if we want to write the script, we can use the AI script assistant. And I guess we'll just choose iconic cinematic movements as an example. Or there's a couple of different options here. Custom, you can choose a custom topic as well. I need to make this a little bit more, something more original. So I don't know. I could also just bring up ChatGPT real quick and ask it to come up with some ideas for a faceless video. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT, come up with 3 popular topic ideas for faceless videos in the digital nomad space. I don't know, something like that. Let's see what it comes up with. So, top 5 countries where digital nomads live like kings on $1,000 a month. Okay, that could be interesting. Let's just put that in there. I wouldn't choose the word kings, but let's just put live well on $1,000 a month, right? We don't need to get the ego involved. And I can set background music here as well. So I'm just going to add some, I don't know, experimental music, I guess. We can test them out too. I don't really like that. We can go through maybe like indie alternative rock. I don't really like that so much either. Let's take a look at ambient. Just want to put some ambient music in the background. Sounds kind of nice. Yeah, I like that. So we'll put productivity hacks and sound effect enabled, animation effect. I don't really know what that is. I could give it a try. And image transition. So they pretty much got everything that you need in here. You can choose the color of the subtitles as well. You can choose where to put the subtitles. So top, middle, or bottom. And animation too. So you can choose the animation of the subtitles. I kind of like the karaoke effect. And I think that's pretty much all there is to it for this. Now, if I just generate the script, let's see what it comes up with. It should create the video script, and there it is. Um, I don't know if I really like that script all that much. It doesn't really have anything to do with what the video is about. So we can do URL to script or script assistant. Custom topic. I'm going to put in the custom topic here, and then it should create something relevant to that. So let's see. Okay. In today's interconnected world, digital nomads can live and work from almost anywhere, but financial efficiency often dictates where they choose to settle. So we got Vietnam in here. We got Thailand, of course. We got Portugal, Bali. This looks good. And I've got 48 credits left. So now I think I can just come up here and then create the video, or maybe not. I don't actually see. My face was blocking it. Okay, so we can just generate this video now, and let's see what it comes up with. And we can choose another topic for the next one, I guess. That's the next video topic. We'll just select this one. And I think it's creating the video. Application error. I don't know what happened there. So there was some sort of error. Did it save my progress? Where is it actually creating the videos? My videos. Okay. Here it is. So it's rendering the faceless video right here. Top 5 countries where digital nomads live well on $1,000 a month. And we'll see what it comes up with. So I will come back to you when this is done rendering. Okay, so 3 minutes later, and the video is finished rendering. Here you can see it says completed. It's about a minute long, and let's just give it a watch and see what it looks like. I'm curious. This is pretty good. Pretty good. That's pretty decent. I would maybe revise the script a little bit, but I like what it came up with. and the imagery looks good. It's photorealistic. So now it looks like all I really need to do to post this onto my YouTube channel, where you're watching this now, is to click on the icon here, and then I can connect up my account. So I can do that real quick. I'm just going to connect up YouTube here and log in with my account real quick. So I'll connect up Mike Abroad, select all, and let's see if I can post this straight to my YouTube channel from Syllaby. This will be pretty cool if it works. So I've got YouTube connected now, and I can come back over to my videos, select the video I've created here, and should just be able to post it directly to YouTube from Syllaby. So here we go. Top digital nomad destinations for $1,000 per month, right? And the list is fairly accurate too. So we're just going to put that, and then you can add a call to action with links. I think I'm going to skip that for now. Can I change the thumbnail? Doesn't look like there's a way to do that right off the bat. So we're just going to customize here. And now I could just publish this. So here we go. Publish now. Successfully published to YouTube. And I think you can also automate this as well. So you just create the AI faceless videos, and there should be a scheduler. So there's also a scheduler in here. You can create a bulk scheduler to just automatically create these videos and post them to your YouTube channel or Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want. And I've created automations to do this using make.com, but I think Syllaby is definitely better. And it's only $25 a month to start, and then you can get the free trial. So there it is. There it is on my channel. We'll see how it performs over the next couple weeks. And who knows, maybe it will get a lot of views just using these faceless videos. If it does, I will definitely upgrade to the paid plan of Syllaby, which, like I say, is only about $25 per month, and you get 500 credits. Right now, I only have 35 credits, so I can create 2 more minute-long videos using Syllaby, and then I could just upgrade for $25 a month and basically just automatically post faceless videos to my YouTube channel. So yeah, definitely check out Syllaby. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and I look forward to digging into some of the other things they can do as well, such as avatars and thumbnails and analytics, all that sort of thing. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, check out Syllaby, link in the description below. Cheers. Signing off.